Hello guys and welcome back. So in the previous video we have added these three new AI characters. Okay, now what we want to do is to add a script in which these AI characters will spawn in our environment, because we can't add these AI characters again and again to create a crowd. Okay, so first of all let me select these three characters and then create a empty parent for them by the name of AI characters. That is it. Then in the scripts, let's open up the Traffic AI folder, create a new script by the name of AI spawner, assign this script to the Traffic AI waypoint origin. So drag and drop it right there. Then let's open this up, and what we will do on this script is we will create a game object array. So we will say public game object, add the square brackets, okay, to make this an array. Then we will name this as AI prefab. Then we will create an integer by the name of AI to spawn. This will be the number of AI which we want to spawn. For example, if we want to spawn 10 AI characters, then we will type 10 in this integer. Okay, now let's create a enumerator type function by the name of spawn, and in here what we will do is create an integer by the name of count, which will be equals to 0. Then we will add a while loop in which we will say that if this count is less than the AI to spawn, then what we will do, we will spawn the AI character unless this count become greater than the AI to spawn. Okay, so right here let's create an integer by the name of random index, and what this integer will do, in here we will create a random number from 0 till the AI prefab dot length. So if the length of this AI prefab array is, for example, 3, then from 0 to 3 it will generate a random number, okay, between 0 and 3, or from 0 and 3. Okay, so this will create a random number. Now let's spawn a AI character. So for that we will create a game object by the name of obj. This will be equals to instantiate. We want to instantiate AI prefab, and we need to choose between a random AI character, and as you know that for that reason we created this random index. So right here we will just simply pass random index. Okay, so I have 3 characters, and if you have added all of the 7 characters, then from that 7 characters it will choose random AI character to spawn inside our game. Okay, now after this we want to spawn these characters on our waypoints position, and also we want to assign the current waypoint to all of these spawned characters. So let's first of all spawn them on the waypoint. So for that we will say transform child. Okay, create a child which will be of type transform. Then this will be equals to transform dot get child. Then in here we will say random dot range. So the range will be from 0 till the transform dot child count -1. Okay, then we will say obj dot get component. Let's get the waypoint navigator script, and from the waypoint navigator script we want to get this current waypoint. So we will say dot current waypoint. This will be equals to child dot get component, and then that will be equals to the waypoint. Okay, so right here to the current waypoint we will assign the waypoint from the waypoint script. Okay, and as you can see right here we have the previous and next one, so from this it will assign a waypoint to this current waypoint. So now let's as I told you, let's spawn them on the position of that waypoint as well. So for that we will simply say obj.transform.position will be equals to child.position, that is it. And then after this we will say yield return new, wait for seconds, and after 1 second we will spawn a new character, and when we spawn a new character we will add 1 to this count integer. Okay, so this count will also be increasing whenever we spawn a new AI character. And for example, if this AI to spawn is 10 and then this count become equals to 10, then as you know that this while condition will simply expire and none of the code will get executed, and that will be it. Okay, so just save the script, get back to Unity. Now right here, as you know that we have just 3 characters, so we will say AI prefab. In the array we will give 3 size to this array. Okay, now we need to copy and paste the prefabs of these 3 characters right here, and right here how many characters we want to spawn. We want to spawn 10 times. Okay, now let's create a prefab of these 3 characters. So if you go inside the AI characters right here, let's create a prefab. So just simply drag and drop it in there, then select the second one, drag and drop it, then the third one, drag and drop it, that is it. Then click on AI, or actually the traffic AI waypoints, and now in here we will add this prefab. So let me lock this inspector so that it don't move. Then simply add the first one, then the second one, and then the third one in there, that is it. So now these 3 characters will be spawned. Okay, let's now save this and play the game. Let's click on scene view, and you will notice this character will spawn after every 1 second. As you can see, the characters are spawning. What is spawn right there? Let's stop the game, and right here let's call this spawn method in the start. Okay, so right here we will say start coroutine, and in here we will call the spawn method in there, that is it. Then get back to Unity, and then if we play the game, let's change into scene view, and as you can see the AI characters are spawning right here. Okay, and as you can see they are walking towards the next waypoint, as you can see. Okay, but for now if you notice that these characters are all moving in one direction, we actually want some of the AI characters to move in the backward direction, or you can say in the previous waypoints. Okay, so in the next video we will make this AI characters move in the previous waypoint direction as well.